Today's video focuses on how I clean all of my kitchen appliances. I've been able to narrow down my products to really minimize both my cleaning time and what I have to keep in my cabinets. Welcome back to Our Small Home Life, and if you are new here, then welcome. I found the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner and their multi-surface cleaner, as well as the Method stainless steel cleaner, have really become my go-to cleaning products. I do purchase most of those products from Grove Collaborative, so I have popped a link down below if you're interested in trying those out as well.
Show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
I have found the stainless steel cleaner seems to be one of the best at keeping those fingerprints at bay with the two young kids, but it also has an amazing apple smell, so that's really great to have after I'm finished cleaning. And I've noticed that it works on both this stainless steel surface on my fridge, but as well as our dishwasher, which is a slightly different stainless finish. Also, there are these compostable wipes from Grove that have been a lifesaver on my butcher block countertops, so I cannot recommend them enough. We also use them in the bathroom, in the sink. And as most homes with kids, the kitchen does not stay clean long. When we first started renovating our home, I knew that I really wanted this large, deep sink, but what has happened is it becomes a catch-all for all of our dishes and clutter that just sort of sits into the sink because I sometimes get lazy and forget to empty out the dishwasher and have to fill it back up. So I did have to start cleaning that out a little bit before I could even get to actually cleaning the bottom of the sink. A couple months ago, I reverted back to sort of using the Dawn Power Wash or sort of any dish soap that I had to clean the sink, and it worked because it was what was on hand and something that was readily accessible. But I've since started using the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleaner, and that really does clean the bottom of the sink out so much better, just like it does for our stovetop. Plus, it has that really nice citrus scent that lingers, and it doesn't scratch or feel really abrasive on anything that I am using it on. So it's just a quick view on how I clean my appliances and my sink. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. And don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that like button. And I'll see you next time.